everyone! My name is Rochelle Salido and I'm from the Philippines. I've been teaching English for about 2 years, before in the Philippines and now in Vietnam, at Emacs English. Emacs English is a great environment for you to master the English language. Let me tell you why. Many students in Vietnam have been studying English for over 10 years. However, most of them show no interest and they lack confidence. When they speak, they're afraid that people are going to laugh at them and stare at them because of their bad pronunciation. Well, here at Emacs, we practice the Crazy English method. Crazy English doesn't only help you to master the English language. Crazy English helps boost your confidence. Crazy English corrects many pronunciation mistakes. Crazy English helps you to memorize new phrases and sentences patiently and deeply. You never have to worry about your bad memory. Crazy English greatly focus and emphasize on pronunciation and speaking skills, which will help you crack grammar easily. I hope to see you at Emacs and practice English crazily together with us. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Rochelle. Bye!